let's discuss some topic. I have prepared some questions for you. Then
Sure.
shall I start? So the
Yeah,
first
sure.
question is that if you could advise to your younger self, what would you say?
Okay. Quite interesting. So again, my answer would be the same because uh, time time is the precious for me and for everyone, not only for me. And if I knew the time is going to change in this direction, that all the lifestyle is going to be changed, like we are having AI these days, right? Earlier
Mhm.
we never knew about the this kind of environment we are
Mhm.
going to have. So if I would prepare myself from the earlier to adopt new things, then that would be the perfect for me. That would be the helpful for me.
Mhm.
Then same thing I would like to say to my younger self, that if you are able to understand the value of the time, or
Mhm.
if you develop your this quality to adopt something new every single day, then life will be the easier for you. So this advice I would definitely give to my younger self, because
Mhm.
willingly or unwillingly we have wasted our many
Mhm.
years, many time while doing nothing, right? So
Mhm.
somehow we are having the consequence as well, negative consequence we are facing for that.
Mhm.
So if I had studied well, or if I had understood the value of the time, then life will be the different of mine these days. So that's advice I would love to give my younger self.
You know why
Yes.
I'm smiling continuously? Because I see eye to eye with you here. Feeling is mutual. Because I
True,
always
true.
regret when I think of my graduation that I wasted a lot of time. I did not focus that much on studies. And as you have mentioned that I want to say that if I had studied well when I was in graduation, I would be doing a job now.
True,
So I wasted
obviously.
a lot of time. But yes, I think at that time we did not realize about the value of time. But now I
Mhm.
realize the time is the precious thing because once it flies, it can never be back, right? So we should try to
Really.
utilize our time in a productive way. That doesn't mean that we shouldn't enjoy, but the thing we should think how much time we are putting when it comes to productive things or doing unnecessary thing, right?
Obviously. So whatever do, whatever you give, you will be get back it, right?
Right.
If you sow the banana, then you can't expect from the mango from there,
Mango.
right? Whatever you sow,
Nice example.
you are going to get return. So
Mm,
similarly, whatever we do, we are going to get the consequence. It could be the positive or it could be the negative,
exactly.
right?
And one more
Yes,
thing is that love yourself. That is also important because
obviously.
when I love myself, I take care of my physical health, mental health, then only I can take care of others as well. And it says when it comes to aeroplane as well, so if there is a any kind of issues or glitch, then at first see put on your belt, then save others, because if you can't save yourself you can't save others as well. So that is the thing also I have realized and I'm trying to implement. I try to take care of my sleep, health, mental health. Otherwise I feel drained, and at times I get angry towards my children as well.
Yes, we do not take care of ourselves, right? We always prioritize to other family members. So we also understand this thing that once I watching Sudhamurthy ma'am's speech, that time she was saying that first have food, then only feed your children. Why? Because you have to be
Okay.
strong. You have to be
Mm,
strong, right?
yes.
Otherwise, if you feed to your kids, then might be you are feeling hunger, might be you feel angry while feeding them, might be you
Mm,
treat wrong to them. So that is why be content and be satisfied with yourself first, then only
mm,
you will be able to treat well to others. So I really feel admired this line, really. First
mhm.
thing, we have to take care of ourselves, make ourselves strong, then only we
Mm,
will be able to do others. Like suppose if you are feeling unwell, right? If you are feeling ill, so are
yes.
you able to take care of others? Never.
No,
Even you are
never.
not able to think to do something for
Mm,
others. right?
Yes.
So
Right.
first and foremost thing to love ourselves first, then only we will able to do something for others.
100%. 100% I
Yeah.
agree with you. Yes. Actually, it has changed now. Earlier, that was the mindset of the people that all the other members should have food at first, then the women can have later on. But now actually
Obviously.
everyone understand. I see that even elderly people, they also say, like in-laws also, they say, I'm not hungry now. If you are hungry, then you can
you,
have, I will have
you
later on.
can.
It is our responsibility, I think, that to ask others as well, our family members, that right now I am hungry, so if you want to, then please have food. Because I don't want to have before you, like that way, because we respect our elderly people, right? Mostly
Obviously.
our parents or our in-laws, whosoever at our home. But if
Mhm.
they give the permission, then we should have, we should not. I see some women, they, even though if you tell them please have food, I know that you are hungry, they will say no, I will not have now. Let my husband have first, or
First,
my
yes.
in-laws have first, like that.
Yeah, true, true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
then.
we have been taught this culture tradition for our elders, one from our parents, right? Don't have first, let other have first, like your family
Yes.
members, in-laws, your husband, then only have. But these days generation has been changing. So my
Mm.
mother-in-law also tells me to have first if you are feeling hungry. So
Mm.
these days generation has been changing rapidly, so yes, we also have to think for ourselves because we have lots of responsibility, we are wearing lots of hats, right? So
Mm.
we also have to think for ourselves that if I will be a stronger, then only I will able to take care of them, otherwise no one here to take care of them. For them
Exactly.
also, for them
Mm.
also,
For
to
them
take
also.
care of
Mm.
them also, we have to be a stronger.
True. Exactly true. Okay, then my next question is that, what is the definition of success in your
That's
personal, yeah,
definition of success.
opinion? Yeah.
Yeah, if I talk about definition of success, it's totally person to person, right?
Yes. Right. Right.
So first, uh, yeah, a definition could be the very smaller, or definition could be the very huge or larger. So if I
Mm.
talk about my opinion about success, then success means content or happiness.
Mm.
If you are content with yourself, or if you are happier with yourself, then you are successful, right? It could be a healthy relationship. It could be a mental health, physical health, personality growth, or career. Anything could be, right?
Mm.
But
Mm.
main thing is that you should be happy.
Mm.
You should be content. If you are earning lots of money, because we always consider if you are earning well money, then you
Mm.
are successful person.
Successful person. Yes.
Consider.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we consider. But if you are earning well money, or you are having a night medicine before going to the bed,
Mm.
or if
Yes.
you are just waking after you have to have medicine to survive, then how one can consider they are happy in their life? They are
Exactly.
struggling with their physical health, right? So if similarly, if someone is having trouble, or if they are not having healthy relationship with their family members, then money doesn't matter. How
Mm.
much you are earning money, you are not that happy in your life, right? So healthy relationship also one of the main part of the successful. And money is also, without
Mm.
money nowadays we
Mm.
are not able to fulfill our desire, our
Mm.
happiness. So money is matter, but money is not everything. Money is the part or main part of getting succeed in our life, right? So
Right.
success means
Mm-hmm.
happiest and healthy and a strong relationship, according to me. What about you?
Yeah, you have said the correct thing, that we need money, but money can't buy the happiness. Why? As you have said, if someone needs to have the medicine before going to bed, some people, if they can buy a bed for 1 lakh or more than that, but they can't buy the sleep. Have you ever realized that thing? Sometimes it happens to me. I don't feel sleepy till 1 or till 2, and then I feel that this is my worst night, because at night time when we go to bed and we don't feel sleepy, it becomes daunting to spend the time,
Mm.
right? So we can't buy that sleep by money. But yes, money is also important. We can't even have that basic need without money for the comfort. If we don't have the luxurious and post life, it is okay. For education, for survival, food, shelter, clothes, we need money. Makes me happy and I feel that I'm successful if I even see the 1% improvement in myself, and when I can help others as well, and they say you have given something different in my life. It may be anything, and the
Mm.
compliments they give to me, I feel that I'm successful at that moment, even though it is not that much big as well. For the small things, when I achieve, feel that I am successful, because life, I can say there is no certainty. I have
Okay.
realized that thing today, maybe because of anything, I am successful. Who knows that what will happen tomorrow? So nothing is
Mm.
permanent. So whatsoever the achievement I get in my life, it may be personal growth, or if I am earning little bit money from my side, even though my husband gives me 10,000, but if I earn 5,000 or less than that, but that gives me that self satisfaction, because I feel that
Yes.
yes, I have done something from my side. I also have that caliber, because sometimes we have that doubt, okay, maybe I'm not able to do that. So when I'm able to do something good for myself or for anyone else, then I feel that yes, I am successful. That makes me happy.
Yes, totally concur with you. Self-content is the main thing of life. No matter what, which kind of field are you working? No matter what are you doing? It could be a farmer. It could be, any professional, right? Working like a IT, corporate, or teacher, engineer, farmer, doctor. Any field could be. But how much you are content with yourself? How much you are happy with your work, with yourself? So all the things matter.
Has been the most important lesson in your life so far?
Oh wow, that's a very beautiful question.
Mhm.
So if I talk about my perspective toward this question, then I can say the understanding the value of time is the main
Mhm.
lesson for myself for
Mhm.
and for most things because I understood the value of time, how precious is it, and once it goes, then it doesn't come back.
Mhm.
Right, so this is the main thing I have learned, and if you understand the value of time, then you do not waste your valuable time, right? So
Right.
far I have learned this thing. Yes.
Great.
What
I
about you?
so that is actually, you have said the correct thing, but yes, I want to say something different as well. What I have realized, the lesson: don't afraid of making mistakes, because I had the fear of making mistakes, and I
Okay.
always thought that at first I should be perfect if I want to start anything in life. Initially I thought that if I teach anyone, then I should be 100% perfect. So those things I realized that no, that mindset was not good. Actually, that lesson I learned, we learn by making mistakes, but we should try to think, okay, what mistakes I made, I should not repeat that. Progress should be there, but there should not be the fear of making mistakes. That I the
Okay.
lesson I have learned. Okay.
Totally understand. Totally
Okay.
agree with you.
The next question is that what are you most proud of in your life?
Okay. What was the proud moment? I guess nothing.
Anything you can say, at that time you feel that you feel proud of yourself.
So first proud moment I can say when I became first mother, when I saw my baby's face for the very first time, that time I feel so proud that I became mother. Right, this is the first proud moment for my life. And second, I can say when I used to teach, in
Okay.
institute. That time
Mm-hmm.
I was a college going student, and my students used to be elder than me, like they were working profession, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I was able to teach them, and they used to treat as a teacher to me, right? Despite of
Okay.
being an elder, they used to treat as a teacher to me. So that moment I can say a
You
proud
feel
moment for
proud.
me.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes. Because being able to teach to the elder person who has
Mm-hmm.
much knowledge about life, or they
Yes.
were elder than me, despite of that, I was able to teach to them. So that moment was a little bit proud of me. Yes.
That's a nice thing. Actually, you have the knowledge about computer because you have done PGDCA, I think, right? PGDCA.
PCDC. Yes.
I am completely zero in that case. Ever since I started my YouTube channel, I have been learning now little by little from my son.
Yes.
I
Yes.
didn't know basic things as well. But again, if I talk about myself, what I am proud about myself that I try to keep learning new things since my childhood. Even though I did not have the environment of learning or doing something, but I did that, like learning the cycling. That was a small thing, but no girl rode cycle in my village at that time. But I had
Okay.
the curiosity to learn, and I learned driving car as well. So, and
Okay.
now when it comes to learning English, so it was also a nightmare for me because I didn't have the environment of speaking English. I couldn't even imagine that one day I will speak English fluently and confidently, talking to different people. So I feel proud when I learn something new. And the dedication and determination. If I decide that I want to do it in a positive way, then I give my 100%. I don't say that I become perfect or flawless, but anyhow, I learned that skill.
Wow.
and
That is a
as
good thing.
and as you mentioned, being a woman, I also feel proud because we have multiple. I'm not saying that boys they don't have responsibilities; they do have as well. But handling the kids, raising the kids, becoming mother, that phase is quite sensitive, emotional moment. But somehow I have that hunger to improve myself as well as taking care of children well, helping others as well. Now I want to see, Susmita, you are from Assam, I am also from Assam, but I have been connecting to people from different states, but rarely I find people who are from Assam. But I want to motivate all the women from Assam. They should also
Um,
improve themselves. They should learn this language as well, so because they will become confident, I know. Moreover,
Obviously,
whatsoever potential they have, they should believe in themselves. They should come out from their comfort zone. I want to motivate them.
that is a good thing. The emotional you are having really sometimes.
Okay. Is there
Okay.
anything you want to ask? Otherwise, I think now we have to wind up. We have 6 minutes left. Yeah.
Yes, we have
And
already.
I
Yes.
thoroughly enjoyed it. Was a thought provoking session. All the time we
I
discuss
also
about
enjoyed
English,
a lot. I
English.
enjoyed your question.
Actually, we don't think this type of questions, these are the deep questions. I feel that all the time we are able to answer, how did you learn English, how to improve English. It's okay to discuss those things as well because our niche is English. Those people who are beginner, they are confused, they want to know these things, but sometimes we should discuss these things as well so that they can learn different things. And we
Obviously.
also should think out of the box because at times we don't
Yes,
think
yes.
about these things, that what I like, what made me happy, what made me sad, what was the best time in my life.
Yes,
So
true, true. This those question was little different than the regular. So I also enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for suggesting those questions, and really it made my day. I became happy.
the pleasure is all mine, and thank you so much as well for giving your precious time, Susmita.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, dear. Okay.
Okay.
Have a